Hi everyone, this is Anna Breeze, Holistic Life and Empowerment Coach and author of The Wise Method, Awakening Earth Stewards in Unity and Purpose. This is my book. I just wanted to share it with you. It was a labor of love and really about my journey, my awakening, my spiritual awakening journey, and how the animals and a vegan lifestyle has really been a big part of that journey. But also there is a whole message in this book about awakening to unity and really expanding in consciousness in a way that we understand that we are nature basically, and that we are one with everything in the world, everything in the cosmos. We are infinite light, infinite being, and all the creatures as well have this spark, this unique spark of the divine creator within them as well. So this book sort of blends my own spiritual awakening journey and the realization of that unity consciousness, that oneness with all living beings. And there's also a section in here, a self-discovery section, where there's lots of questions where you can, just think about some deep things like different areas in your life, and just about societal beliefs and conditioning and how they've influenced our views and our backgrounds, and some of our limited thought patterns and where they come from. And also my intention is to really guide the reader into a process of awakening to their own divine purpose as well. And there's lots of tools that are spoken about that can help the empath, like sound healing, guided meditations, plant-based recipes. I talk about empathic self-care, and it takes the reader on a journey of looking at their identity and where we have believed in our false identity as well, and what we can do to deconstruct the programming. And there's a section here on eco-spiritual parenting. There's a lot there. It's a good book for parents as well that want to raise children that are going to respect and honor nature, as well as honor themselves, but also understand the relationship between themselves and nature. And that's really it. And I do share my personal journey in here as well, and talk about the influences of animals, and also having pet rats in my life for many years. This unlock the secrets to finding your purpose within the intricate web of existence, and discover how your unique contribution can fuel the thriving of our precious planet. This book is a guide to inner healing, where you'll unearth the power to transcend fears and limitations. As you turn each page, you'll begin to believe that anything is possible for you and for the healing of the world we call home. Yeah, because it's really about staying positive in a world where there's so much challenge and so much negativity. So my purpose in writing this book is also to inspire the reader and to inspire empaths and vegan stewards and people that that are on the side of nature and that want to step into their purpose as an earth steward, and also to do what they can to really just protect nature, protect the environment as we move forward, and also for our children and our children's children. So there it is. I just wanted to share a little bit about this. This is my book. It's available on Amazon, and you'll find the link in the description below. Thank you for being with me. I'm sending you love and light. Namaste.